Hello and welcome to the All About Mechanical YouTube channel, and today we will see the how to restore all the toolbar contents and their position. So right now on the screen this toolbar is present. If you want to orient this toolbar, so you can orient it by simply pressing the shift key and you can make it as a horizontal like this. But due to any mistake, or if you don't find any toolbar in this window, so you can find it by pressing the right click on the top right or bottom menu bar. So by pressing the right click here, you can select the whatever toolbar do you want, so you can select from here. But if you want all the toolbars are present in this window and their restored default position, so you can do that by pressing the right click and move down to the customize option. By pressing the customize, then go to the toolbars, and here you can click on the restore all contents, then press OK, then again press the restore position button, then OK. So you will get the all the restore all the toolbar contents and their position as per the CATIA default setting. I hope you like this my video, and thanks for watching.